This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
While facing to the left, lean forward a bit and step in place on your right foot, then bring your left knee up as you begin twirling your hands inward around each other. Do these leg movements 3 more times as you continue twirling your hands around each other while straightening your back. Repeat these movements in the opposite direction, but continue facing to the left. Turn to face the camera and repeat the arm twirls, moving up as you step to the right with your right foot, bring your left foot over to meet it, then step to the left with your left foot. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you bend both elbows to bring your hands back near your ears. Plant your right foot down over to the right, then shake your hips to the right then left as you extend both arms straight up, then slowly begin to move them down out in front of you, palms facing out. Continue moving your arms down as you step in with your right foot, then bring your left foot in to meet it. With your left fist on your hip, move your right hand up in front of your right shoulder, palm facing down. Tilt your head to the right as you curve your right hand in and up 4 times while bending your knees a bit and flapping your legs 4 times. Tilt your head to the left and repeat the previous hand and leg movements. Step over to the right with your right foot as you bring your right hand in front of your chest, wrist bent and palm facing down. Then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you bring your left hand up across from your shoulder so that it is slightly above your right hand. Step over to the left on your left foot, then bring your right foot over to meet it as you move your right hand up across from your face, then move your left hand up above your head. Repeat the last 2 counts of the previous section. Repeat section 1. Repeat the first 4 counts of section 2. Stand up straight and bend your right elbow to bring your hand up near your shoulder, index finger extended and palm facing in. Bend your knees outward, then quickly bring them back in as you spread the fingers of your right hand out, palm still facing in. Step over to the left with your left foot and bend your right knee to the right as you shake your right hand from right to left in front of your face and down toward your left shoulder.